All right, guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can easily integrate PayPal payment system into your e-commerce website with Hostinger AI builder. Right, so if you have in your mind that you want to create an e-commerce site, maybe you want to sell products, right? So depending on the kind of product that you're selling, you want to receive payments right on your website. So how can this be done? You just need to integrate a payment system, and simply in this video I'll be showing you how to use PayPal. So if you are in a location, maybe not in the United States or in the UK or any location that PayPal is not allowed, there are other payment systems that you can use, like Stripe or your local bank you can use to receive payments from your customers. So now we'll be using PayPal in this practical to show you how the step-by-step process that you can use to integrate PayPal into your e-commerce store. So I'm using Hostinger AI Builder, and Hostinger AI Builder is what I recommend to any of my users out there. So if you are watching me, I recommend that you get Hostinger hosting service for your own website, right? So if you have any website project that you want to create, consider signing up with Hostinger. They are very reliable, and they are the third company that is recommended by WordPress, and I've been using them for my own business and also for my client's business, and I recommend it for any of you that is out there watching me, that you're looking for a reliable hosting service to use, right? So the moment I see anything that is okay, like, I'll just tell you that for us to work seamlessly, you use a particular hosting service, and Hostinger has been doing it a lot for me with a very good pricing, and their services they are very cool in terms of their services. They give a lot of things to their customers. So I want to really say thank you to Hostinger for everything that they have been doing. So I've been enjoying their services, and I will advise that you get it for yourself also, right? So basically, you can see on my screen here, this is the dashboard of Hostinger. So this website is for a client, right? So a client that we are managing is we are building his e-commerce site. Actually, I used the AI builder to actually design this website. So I didn't use WordPress, but you can also migrate your site when you build with Hostinger AI builder. You can migrate it, like just send all the files to WordPress, and it's going to be showing in form of your WordPress dashboard. So, but yeah, let's just quickly go through the process of integrating PayPal as a payment system for this particular e-commerce website. So I'm going to click here, which is showing online store, and also there's a checklist here for you to go through as a step-by-step process. If you're using the AI builder, it will show you a site setup checklist that you can use, whether a blog, an e-commerce site, a portfolio site, organizational website. Everything has a step-by-step process that you can actually follow. So I'll just simply click here for you to see how it's showing here, so that you should see the process also at your own end, right? So you can see website setup, so which means that if you are an absolute beginner and you are looking for particular builder that can help you, maybe you're on budget, you don't have enough budget to hire a freelancer or agency to handle your website project for you, you can simply use Hostinger AI builder, and it's going to help you to build your website in less than 30 minutes, right? And also it shows you a step-by-step process that you can use to edit your website, right? So, and also give you, maybe you don't have a logo for your site, you can also get a logo from the logo designer that they actually have. They have a lot of stuff, right? So check the link in the description and also in the comment section for you to simply get 20% off, and just right click the link, and you are going to be amazed about what you're going to see, right? So you can see the checklist here, right? There's a lot of things that you can actually do. So you can see, if I can go to the store tab here, right? This icon that you see here showing the carts for an online store, and I can also use the checklist here showing add a payment method. So I can click here now, right? So that I can add a payment method. So I actually started the process, but I felt like somebody will want to know how this actually work out there, so I felt I should create this video for you to see how the process works step by step. So what you need to do is to sign into your PayPal account on one tab, and also you sign into your website back end, the hosting back end, on another tab, right? So basically you can see here that I'm already signed into the PayPal account here. So basically you can see this is for the client, right? Okay, stay logged in. So basically you can see this is for the clients, right? And I am already signed into the PayPal account there on one in another tab, and this is the back end of the website, right? So I want to integrate the PayPal system quickly with you guys. So I'm going to pause this, and before I pause this video, actually, if you want to integrate the PayPal system into your website, right, you cannot use a personal PayPal account, right? You need to have a business PayPal account, right? So basically that's what you can use to integrate into the system, right? Don't use your personal PayPal account for this operation, right? So now let's wait for this page to load. My network is a bit slow for now, right? So there will be a little bit of delay, right, because of the slow network I'm having around here. So but let's just exercise patience. So I'll show you the process step by step, right? Okay, so let me pause this video until the PayPal comes up. Okay, so we are already up now. So you can see setup not finished. This is the one for PayPal, and you can receive payment through this D local go. I don't know, but I think this should be mostly for Americans, right? So I have never used that payment system before, so I won't talk about it much. So but the ones I'm familiar with is the PayPal, Stripe, and also manual payment. So manual payment, you should understand, it should be made for your bank transfer, right? So if you want to accept bank transfer, you can add it here. Stripe, you can add your Stripe account, you can connect it here, and also this is the PayPal aspect. So I'll also advise, if you are having an e-commerce site out there and you want your customers to have a seamless payment checkout for your e-commerce products on your site, make sure that you integrate as much payment system to give your customers options to easily make payments for your product, right? So you shouldn't just stick to one particular payment system. So it might be that in another location where your customer is coming from might not be able to make payments through PayPal, but the moment they can make payment to direct bank transfer, it makes it easy for them. Or some people might use Stripe, depending. So make sure that you give them that flexibility of payment so that they can make everything can be so easy for them, right? So I'm going to click on manage here so that we can quickly go through the process of payments. I'll pause this video. Okay, so basically this where it will take us, this is where it has taken us to. So it's saying that finish setup to start accepting online payment with PayPal. So basically these are the informations here. You can simply go through them if you are also walking through the process step by step. I'm going to click on finish setup, and it's going to take us to a new tab, right, so that we can easily log into the PayPal account. So the next thing that you need to do is to enter your email address, right? Enter your email address, and it's going to if it's not showing the location that you are, the region that you are in currently, so it's going to, you can just instantly change to the location that you are your PayPal account is registered. So I'm going to click on next here because all the information here seems okay. I'm going to click on next. So the next thing that you need to do is to enter your full details. It's going to show you a new tab again for you to input your password for the email address. So when you put your email address, I'm going to click on login. It should take us to the PayPal account directly. So even if it shows you a security challenge, you just simply go through security challenge. So yeah, basically this is a security challenge. So I'll quickly go through the security challenge, and we should be up in the account, and we are going to set up everything as quick as possible, right? So after you've gone through the security challenge, if it's showing you everything, so basically this is what is going to show you next. It's going to show you Hostinga International Limited wants permission to connect your PayPal account. So You know, Hostinga is a reliable hosting platform, so there's nothing fishy about their services and the way they operate. You just simply need to click on allow here. So the moment you click on allow, it's going to go through the process of integrating the system together, right? So you can see customer service, and so this is how everything is going to be connected automatically, right? So let's just wait for the payment system to be integrated. Okay, so another thing that you need to do is, you know, sometimes some customers used to face challenge, just like I said, some people used to face challenge when it comes to making payments, right? So basically, you can see even PayPal is advising you that you should make your customers get the care they deserve. So it asks you for what's your customer support email address, right? So you put your customer support email address here, and then you can input a phone number here, and simply you click on agree and submit. So I'm going to grab the email address of the client, also of my client here, and the phone number of my client, and also I am going to click on this agree and submit, so that the customers, anybody that's coming to make any payments, can easily see how they can reach out to him if they are finding it difficult to make a payment, right? So I'll be going through this process here, right? So the moment you add up those details, adding an email address and also a phone number, PayPal is going to tell you to verify the phone number again, right? So they're going to send you a verification code. So when you add up the verification code, you should be good to go, guys. So when I add my verification code for this particular account, so I'm going to show you the whole process, what happened after that. So basically, I'm waiting for the clients to send me the verification code so that we can quickly go through the process. So the moment you are done with adding your verification code, you should see something like account connected on your Hostinga account. So you can see it's going to prompt you. You can even check by opening PayPal here directly. And the reason why they ask you for those details there is because they want a situation whereby customer is when a customer is finding it any difficult, they can easily send you, they can easily reach out to you, right? Which is very, very good for business. So basically, this is a verification code that was sent to my client, and I just received the code now. So I'm going to try it to see that it works. So basically, you can see how the whole process is. So now you will receive a message like this showing that you are all set, right? So everything is now working perfectly. So the PayPal is now connected to your Hostinga account, and so basically you can see here showing that account connected. You can see, let's see what's showing here. So basically you can see this is the whole process of connecting your Hostinga account with your PayPal payment system. So you can see, congratulations Frank, you've been approved to use PayPal complete payments. So yeah, so basically everything is now working perfect. So I'm also happy here, and I believe that you're happy to learn this particular system of adding your PayPal to your Hostinga account. So if you are still finding it difficult to do anything on your Hostinga account, or any hosting service that you need, or you need help with your SEO, maybe like technical SEO or content on your tech blogs or stuff like that, you can easily reach out to me to help you out with your services on the internet. So my name is Zaid. For instance, if you don't know me, my name is Zaid, and I'm a professional web developer, and I also have knowledge in digital marketing. Why I learned digital marketing is to help me boost my business on the internet, learn the way that I can use to boost my business, and also assist my clients to do same thing for what I do for my own businesses, right? So if you want to reach out to me for help with your business, you can simply use the link in the description that says order my service or hire me, depending on what I am using currently for this video description, right? So I would love to work with you on your next project or your current project, or help your business grow more. Thank you very much. And yeah, we've done a lot, and I'll be seeing you guys in upcoming videos on how to troubleshoot other things on your hosting website, or any website, that any hosting service that you are, I might feel like working with, right? So when you're done, just simply click on save, and it should save the payment system, right? So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the upcoming video.